Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Meet the Most Entitled Woman During Traffic Stop.
On April 27, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle failing to signal properly.
28's David Union 99318, David Union 99318.
Are they at the bar?
Can I get some other units out here? I'm going to be at Whittle and Chestnut.
What's going on?
Hey, the reason why I'm stopping you tonight is because you failed to signal when you pulled in this parking spot.
I did not.
Yes.
You were just looking for a reason to pull me over, sir. I just know that.
Can I have ID and insurance information?
Why?
Because this is a traffic stop.
I don't think so. I signaled and I pulled right in here.
Not when you pulled into this parking spot.
Sir, you've been following me. I seen how fast you come upon my car when you came here.
Yep, and can you also get your hand out of your lap for me?
Oh.
And put the cigarette out for me. Just throw it on the ground.
Mm-hmm. This is ridiculous. Like, that you are, like, you guys harass me. You guys have been harassing me. Like, seriously. You have. This is ridiculous.
And I can see don't wipe it off, but I can see the cannabis shake on the center console. Negative.
That is not. I have been. That is not cannabis. Are you serious right
now? Okay, then I'll test it. But don't wipe it off, okay?
Marijuana is illegal, or is legal.
Not to have in your vehicle,
sir.
Unsealed.
Listen, this is ridiculous. I have not done anything wrong, at all.
You didn't signal when you pulled into this parking.
I did too.
No, you did not.
I did,
you
sir.
Signaled. All right. Go ahead and hop out real quick for me.
Yeah, I think you should call my lawyer. You're not gonna search my car. I'm sorry, no.
Get out.
No. Absolutely not. I don't have to. I know my rights.
I'm not searching your car right now.
I know my rights. You can leave.
No,
and leave me alone. Yeah. What are you doing? Okay, you can call somebody. Call somebody right now.
We're getting out of the car.
Call somebody right now, please. What are you doing? This is not even right. This is
I'm
bullshit.
gonna ask you again to get out of the car.
You cannot do that.
Can you get out of the car for me?
No, I will not.
You are going to get out of the car.
Why? For what? What have I done? I've not done anything wrong. Listen, no, you listen to me. Are you serious?
Yep.
What
for? Get out of the car. Hey, I'm asking you nicely.
It is required when somebody asks you to get out of the car.
Okay, I'll get out of the car.
Yep. All right, turn around for me, okay?
Why?
Hey.
No, this is bullshit.
Hey, what are we doing here?
What are you doing? Get your hand, sir.
Stop.
Get your hand off of me, sir.
Grab your other arm.
What are you doing?
Turn
right
around
now. What are you doing? Why are you putting me in cuffs?
Ma'am, do not.
This is bullshit.
Hey,
if you continue,
we're gonna address your
I want you to call. This is crazy. What are you doing?
You're just being detained right now.
For what reason are you putting me in cuffs? Though I've not done anything wrong. I've not done anything wrong at all. Nothing. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, what are you doing?
You're just being detained. You want to get out of the vehicle when I ask you to?
Sir, listen to me. This is crazy.
You're speaking very slowly.
I'm speaking very slowly.
Yes. I smell the faint odor of an alcoholic beverage emitting from you.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
You've been following me from the bar.
Yeah, I knew there was a bigger issue. There had to be. Because the reason for the stop is failure to signal going into the parking spot. I mean, I guess, but I'm like, but now it makes sense. Okay, she was at a previous bar. The officer seen her get into the car, whatever, start driving, and he'd been following her, waiting for a stop or whatever, to hopefully escalate it, DUI, all that stuff. Now it makes sense because I'm just like, failure to signal going into a parking spot. I'm like, yeah, it's gotta be more to the story than that, because a cop ain't stopping you for that. I ain't gonna lie, he ain't stopping you for that.
You were stalking the bar.
No, I drove
Yes,
past.
you was.
I drove past
You
on
absolutely
130.
was.
You were about to pull out. You slammed on
He
your brakes.
absolutely was following me from the bar.
Hey, you slammed on your brakes. When I went to drive by, you slammed on your brakes, stopped.
Because my brakes are squeaking, and I'm trying to get it to stop squeaking.
No, and then,
yes, it is. You try it yourself.
And then after I drove by, then I seen you pull out. Okay.
Try it yourself.
So when you see a cop drive by the bar,
you hit your light as soon as I turned right in here.
Okay.
Because I didn't put my turning signal on to turn into this parking spot, sir.
I am going to pat you down. Okay. Just with the back of my hand. Is there anything in your pockets I need to know about? No weapons, anything like that, okay?
This is insane.
All right. I want you to go stand back here with this officer for me, okay?
You're not allowed to search my car unless I say you can, and I told you cannot.
I'm going to look at what I think,
search
what I believe
my
is
fucking car.
What I believe is cannabis shake on the center console. So you're going to stand back there with
What is legal? Oh my fucking gosh, this is ridiculous. You guys are, like, get out of my car.
Yeah, it even smells like weed.
Stay over here. Hey.
And I believe you've been drinking, so we're going to address that in a second, okay?
Like, seriously?
We're going to address that in a second.
Okay, you can give me a sobriety test right now, for real.
Yep.
Let's do it.
We're going to get there, okay?
Let's do it. Because I'll tell you what, I will hop on one leg and I can say this alphabet backwards bigger than you think. What are you doing?
I'm searching your person. We have probable cause to search you.
For what?
And your vehicle.
No, you do not have probable cause to search my vehicle.
Yes, I do.
You're not searching my vehicle.
Well, guess what I am?
I want you to call your sergeant down here right now.
Come over here.
I want you to call your sergeant down here right
Show
now.
that subject detained at this time.
I know my fucking rights. What is going on?
Hey, leave her out where we can see her because if she's a female, I didn't really get a good look at her or a good search of her.
What is going on?
Let's just keep her where we can see her.
Yes,
I'm searching your car. Probable cause.
Stand over here in front of the car, please. This squad car.
No.
Yeah. Let's step over here, okay?
For what? I want to know what the hell I did. I want you
Amber.
to call your sergeant down here right now.
Come on.
Let's go over here.
I'm serious. I know my fucking rights. I want my.
Let's go.
What is going on?
Hey, leave her out where we can see her because.
Are you fucking serious right now?
I want you to stand right over here in front of this car.
What is going on? He cannot search my car.
Yes, he can. He has probable cause for it. Stand over here in front of the car, please. This squad car.
No.
Yeah.
You're going to.
For what? I
He
want to
has
know
his
what the
reason.
hell I did.
He already has
There
explained
is
it
no
to you.
reason that he pulled me over. There is this bullshit reason. This is bullshit reason.
Cannabis in a motor vehicle is probable cause to search.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. You can't. Weed is legal, but it's not legal.
It's
in
a
the vehicle.
fucking speck of fucking pot. Are you serious right now?
Yep.
Yeah.
I am. Just step in front of the vehicle, please. In front of the squad car. Thank you. Let's keep a watch on that.
That's. Just stand there with her.
You get out of my car.
Hey, you stay over here. Very close.
Get out of my car. This is bullshit. He did not. It's not weed on there. It is not. No, I did not say it would. I said if he found anything, it would have been a speck. What is he doing? Get out of my stuff. He cannot look in any of my stuff that's in there. What is he doing? Call the damn sheriff down here right now.
This isn't got anything to do with the sheriff.
Call the sheriff down here right now. This is bullshit. Get out of my. Hey. Bro, worst when you was this.
That sounds like an individual that doesn't know the difference between sheriffs, police officers, and like city police and state troopers. It's different levels. They all do different things. But yeah, she's cooked. I mean, like I said, it sounds like to me he saw her drinking and driving, or he had suspicion that she was drinking and driving. And he was just waiting for, her to do something so he could justify the stop. That's pretty much what it sounds like to me. And she's cooked. I mean, you got shake in there or whatever. You're cooked. Your ass is grass, man. There's nothing wrong with getting an Uber, getting a Lyft, calling a taxi, Call your boyfriend, somebody to come pick you up. Because there are some cops that scope out bars. You know what I mean? Like it's easy. That's an easy ticket. That's an easy ticket. Scope out the bar. You know? I mean, you got officers, like, if you live in a city or a town or whatever, maybe you live in a college town or something like that, you're gonna notice that there's cops always around the bars and stuff like that or whatever. Now, most of the time, are they stopping you if they see you getting in your car or whatever? No, you know. But if they see somebody like really wobbling and all of that, then they might be like, hey, you know what I'm saying? But the cops, they know, you know, they know people drink and drive. You know, they know that they going to the bar, and you know, a lot of times they, after the bar, they get in their car and they gonna go drive. You know, so I know some of you guys, you know what I'm talking about. Cops are stationed at certain areas or whatever. It could be concerts, whatever. Cops are stationed all around. They know drinking is going on. They trying to keep it under control a little bit, you know, but they know who getting in their car and who, you know what I mean? This one, it's an easy ticket, because if you do it, you're technically in the wrong. It's an easy one.
Hey, you're gonna stop talking to her and go over there and stay out of this. Is what you're gonna do.
He cannot be in my purse right now. What is he doing?
Well, if this is wrong and illegal, you can more than welcome to take care of it. But
you cannot go through anything in there. If I told you, you cannot go through my shit.
If he didn't have reason to, he wouldn't be doing it.
He is not allowed to go through my stuff.
Okay.
He can search my car, but he cannot open up any fucking bag that's in my car. He cannot.
Yes, he can.
No, he can't. No, it is not. No, it isn't. I know. I can't. I know. I keep speaking and I'm stupid. I'm stupid as hell.
All right.
Please be nice.
We submit to a PPT.
Are y'all gonna watch this or what?
All right, take a deep breath and blow, okay?
Come on, guys.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Stop.
All right, it says 000s. Have you had anything else tonight?
Well, no. What are you talking about?
No pills, nothing like that?
Are you serious?
I mean, like you said, it smells of,
Oh my God. 000? Ooh. Oh my God. What a plot twist. What a plot twist. She valid. She good.
it smells of a little bit of alcohol in there, but I'm surprised it's all 000s. Then also,
what does the 000 mean? I don't even know what that means.
Your words are also a little slurred too.
Huh?
And you said something about drinking alcohol.
I've got head damage from.
000 mean you good. 000 mean you beat the case, man. That's what that mean, man. So just zip it. Don't talk too much. Zip it. Case dismissed. That's what it mean. Wow.
Okay.
I've got medication that I take and stuff.
You said something about the alcohol earlier.
I mean, I've been drinking, but I haven't drank anything, recently.
When was the last?
Oh, man. Come on. Shut the heck up. You beat the case, man. Shut up. Shut up. You beat it. You beat it. 000. You what? You just beat it. You beat it. What? You just beat the case, man. And here you go. Falling right into the trap and going to talk yourself into a guilty plea, man. You're going from case dismissed to guilty, man.
Time you drank?
An hour or so ago, but it wasn't even that much.
How much
I
did
was
you?
at
How much did you drink total?
One drink.
One drink?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, at this time, you're going to be placed under arrest for possession of cannabis in motor vehicle and
Why?
resisting arrest.
Why are you doing that? I did not even resist anything. No, I didn't. I did not.
All right, I locked your car for you. I'm going to take your keys to the jail, okay? They can give them to you at the jail, okay?
You said if I did not stop, which I did, that you were going to charge me with resisting. Sir,
Go and stand up for me, okay?
please, I'm asking you kindly, please. My record is totally clean. I have nothing on my record whatsoever, sir. Since 2005. Like, seriously.
Come on, we're just going over here.
These officers are
You're gonna be
young, though.
booked in,
You
and
know,
then
they're
you're gonna be
young,
let loose. Your
gun
friend can
ho.
come pick you up.
Yeah.
The woman was charged with possession of cannabis in a motor vehicle and resisting arrest. Thanks for
Yeah, he was trying to get that DUI. He couldn't get it though. He couldn't get it. So he had to go with some other things that he could prove. 000. You going case dismissed. Like it's he knew. You know, these officers, they look young, gun ho, like, you know, old timers ain't. You failed the signal to go in a parking spot. I mean, come on, bro. Like, it's just like, yeah, technically you right, but it's like, come on, man. That's like if you got an air freshener on your mirror right there or whatever, and they hit you with obstruction of view or whatever. Like, it's just like, come on, man. Like, are you serious? They literally sell them at the store, the air fresheners that you hang at the mirror, but it's technically obstructing view. Like, you know, it's just, or your license plate. You know, if you got a license plate, like, not cover, but like the little frames, you know, technically you can't have those. You know, it's just like, whatever. But yeah, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.